How you going, everybody? Back again. Just a very basic update today. Nothing too flash to talk about. Just normal day-by-day stuff. So a couple of updates, but I got the back plate for that HP from a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to try and get that assembled. I don't think it'll be tonight. It's getting a bit late tonight, but I might try and do it tonight, if not tomorrow morning. I've got a couple of more laptops together today. So they'll be going on probably Facebook. I'm liking Facebook a bit more than eBay, no fees. And then you'll see from the, I did a overhead recording, hopefully at work today. And we should have a bit of a video running in the background. You can see me doing a heap of hard drives because I put a heap of hard drives up on eBay today. We'll give them a shot. I've never given hard drives a shot. They've all been wiped, so they're all data's off them, and we'll just see how it goes. I did do a little bit of a clean up today as well. It was actually yesterday. So a little bit more organised, moved the couch out the way, so got me more walking room up there, put the TV up on the wall, get that out the way and some other bits, and it's actually starting to turn into a bit of a room now. So keep going. I reckon by the end of the month, this will probably just full of junk still. So all good. Like I said, quick update. That time lapse has been going in the background. I don't know how long it's going to go for because it was recording most of the day and I was there for a good 4 or 5 hours. So all good. Have a good afternoon, good night and good morning and see you tomorrow. Bye.